Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase social media following with Instagram, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by optimizing your Instagram profile. Choose a clear profile picture, ideally your brand logo. Write a compelling bio that communicates who you are and what you offer. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve searchability. Use a link in your bio to direct traffic to your website or latest content. Next, create high-quality content consistently. Post images and videos that capture your brand's essence. Utilize Instagram stories to engage your audience daily. Experiment with different formats like carousels and reels. Maintain a consistent visual style to enhance brand recognition. Then, engage actively with your audience. Respond to comments and direct messages promptly. Like and comment on posts from followers and relevant accounts. Encourage discussions by asking questions in your captions. Collaborate with influencers in your niche. Seek partnerships that align with your brand values. Host giveaways to attract new followers and create excitement. Utilize relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Research popular hashtags within your niche and incorporate them. Mix popular hashtags with less competitive ones for better visibility. Post during peak hours when your target audience is most active. Analyze your post insights to determine the best times to share content. Utilize Instagram's features like IGTV and Live to diversify your engagement. Share behind-the-scenes content to humanize your brand. Encourage user-generated content by creating branded challenges. Offer value through educational posts and tutorials related to your niche. Lastly, monitor your progress with Instagram analytics. Track follower growth, engagement rates, and post performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.